So Shiba Inu's breakout from the low 40s 10 range to 40s 4 happened at just the right time. It was right as we were entering meme season. We saw meme coins throughout the space just explode. And again, I don't consider Shib a meme coin. It's got a lot more going for it than that. But we saw, Bonk, we saw Floki, we saw Pepe, Dog with Hat, and I'm sure I'm missing some other ones, but we saw them just go on massive tears, Shiba Inu included. And this was all happening again during meme season. Now, we've kind of had this period of consolidation. We've had this period of sideways trading, a little bit of cool off in the market, and that's fine. That's normal. And the question now lies is meme season over? And what would this mean for Shiba Inu? So I've said before, I think I've described it even in Shib videos before, that we are going through this period of essentially different sub-cycles. We started with blockchain-based coins. We saw again like AVAX and Caspa and things like that go on tears. Then we moved over to the AI sector, AI coins just popping off like crazy. Then we moved to meme season. And each of these seasons only lasted probably about 5 days to a week. And it's accelerated now, right? We went from memes back to AI, back to meme-ish, and then flipped to blockchain, and then back to AI. And so there's just it's a lot enough to give you whiplash, right? There's a lot of bouncing around happening. And what I will say is I think meme season is kind of over to the extent where you don't see all these meme coins moving in conjunction with each other. You don't see them making these massive extensions like we saw at this time. And that's okay. Because remember, this is all happening, pre-halving, pre-alt season. And the reason I keep repeating that and trying to hammer that point home so much is there are many people here who think that crypto is get rich quick, right? They'll see this move for Shib and they're like, oh man, if I make this move again, then I can do this and that, right? This doesn't always happen. You do go through periods of consolidation. You go through periods of sideways trading. You go through more tempered runs as well. And that may be what we see from Shib. We may see some consolidation. If we do continue the upside, we may see a more tempered run. I'm still obviously hoping that we get that massive extension like we saw the last bull market cycle. Would I be surprised if it didn't happen? No, because again, retail isn't fully back. Now, what I will say is this: are we going to see a meme season again? Yes, we likely will. And the reason I say that is as we get into the bull market, we're likely to see all these sub cycles, all these sub seasons, blockchains, AI, memes, all running at the same time. And it's because there's enough adoption and there's enough capital to facilitate growth of all these coins simultaneously. All right. During these times, we haven't seen that because retail is just starting to come back. In big times of adoption, there is so much happening in the space. There's so much capital flowing around. And many people here for the first time have never witnessed this. It is insane what the bull markets actually do, what happens in alt season. It will blow your freaking mind. Okay. But that's when I think Shib makes these big extended runs. All right. I'm still obviously holding out, hoping that we get this extension here, but would not be surprised if we kind of consolidate for a short bit. If we, do more of a kind of a tempered run to the upside, a little more sustainable growth. The thing is again, with Shib, there's thin levels of liquidity here. There's not much we have to break through. So you might get quick pops and like a 10% run, 15% run, and then retrace like 6% and then kind of do the same thing. But we'll just kind of have to wait and see what kind of direction the market gives us here. Really, BTC is going to set the trend for everything. BTC is climbing right now at the time of filming this video. We're back up at 67.7, so that's looking good. Hopefully, again, we continue to sustain and build from here so Shib can continue this recovery that we're seeing today. So just wanted to share that with you guys. Would love to hear your thoughts. Would love to hear if you think meme season's over, where you think we're headed from here. But have a great day. Show your love below. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.